Hello, my name is Paul, and in the Friday afternoon tech sessions, I will explain how to lighten your load using computer-scored assignments in Moodle. I will show you how to easily create listening, reading, writing, and speaking activities that can be automatically scored in Moodle. Probably most of us have created basic computer-scored reading and listening activities, such as close, multiple choice, or ordering quizzes. But more exciting is that with added Moodle plugins, you can easily create computer-scored writing and even speaking activities for your students to practice their productive skills. I look forward to seeing you November 20th at the Friday afternoon TNT sessions.